Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you 32 brown outfit ideas that I found and loved on Instagram and Pinterest. These looks are stylish, wearable, and perfect for anyone who wants to bring more brown into their wardrobe. I personally enjoy working with brown because it's such a rich and flexible color. It goes well with so many other shades: white, beige, black, denim blue, olive green, even soft pink or gold. Brown adds warmth to your outfit and makes everything feel a bit more cozy and elegant, no matter the style. One reason I love brown is that it's easy to build around. You can mix dark chocolate tones with lighter creams or add in metallics like gold for a more elevated feel. If you want a more casual look, brown also works beautifully with denim and cotton textures. There's also a bit of science behind why brown feels so natural to us. Brown is made by mixing all three primary colors: red, blue, and yellow, which makes it a very balanced color visually. It doesn't overstimulate the eye, so it feels calming and easy to look at. That's one reason why brown tones are so popular in both fashion and interior design. If you like this kind of content, please give the video a like and subscribe for more style ideas. Thanks for watching.